Hey, we're going to check out this Helicoil kit. This is a really nice and organized kit. So I purchased this because I stripped out a couple threads on my vehicle. It's really easy to strip those aluminum threads out. And I was really worried, but fortunately I was able to find this kit to rethread them. This gives you various different sizes. Probably any size you need is going to be contained in this. As far as the kit itself, there's a few different things that come for each size thread. They come with a drill bit, your threading tool right here. This tool you're going to use to screw your thread in, and then when you're done threading it in, you're going to punch it out. There's a bottom piece that you got to punch out, and it also comes with the thread inserts as well. These are what you screw into the thread hole that you tap. And for each thread size, there's plenty of inserts of each. I think this kit will last me a long time. All the tools seem very well made. I was really worried when I stripped out those threads, but this kit saved me and helped me repair those.